Students, today we will discuss about checking subtraction by addition. Here simple two numbers we are taking. Suppose one is 9 and one is 7. Okay, 9 is greater number and 7 is smaller number. 9 is our minuend and 7 is our subtrahend. So from 9 you just subtract 7. 2 is coming. So 2 is our difference. Fine. Now I have to check whether my answer is correct or not. How can I check? This is my minuend. This is my subtrahend. And this is my difference. Fine. Now I have to check my answer. What I have to do? I will add these two, subtrahend and difference. 7 and 2 is my difference. You have to do the addition only. 7 plus 2 how much, students? 9. See, now check. 9 was given only. So my answer, what I got over here, that is correct. How? Because if I will add this subtrahend and difference 7 plus 2, then only I will get the minuend. So my answer is correct. If like this way, I am giving you a 3-digit number. Okay. Here I am taking suppose 183 and 92. Okay. You have to do subtraction only. This is your minuend. This is your subtrahend. Simple. Now here you have to do minus subtraction. 3 minus 2, 1. 9 is here and upper side it is 8 means 18. I am borrowing this 1 from this beside 1. It will cut and 0 will come here. So from 18 I have to subtract 9. 9 is coming over here. My difference is 91. This is my difference. I don't know my answer is correct or not. Now I have to check my answer of subtraction by doing addition. Then what I will do? I have to add this subtrahend and difference. 92 plus 91. Now you check. 2 plus 1, 3 and 9 plus 9, 18. So I got over here 183. So see students, you can see it was only given in your question 183. So you can assume that your answer is correct. 91 is your correct answer. Today we will discuss about properties of subtraction. Okay. First one is, whenever I am subtracting one number from the number itself, my answer will be 0. Suppose I have to subtract 6 from the number itself. 6. From 6, if I will subtract 6, so what will my answer? I will get 0 as difference. From the 6, I have to subtract 6. Means, if I will subtract one number from the number itself, my answer, my difference will be 0. That is about the first properties of our subtraction. Okay. Now, properties number 2. If I will subtract 0 from any number, I have to subtract 0 from any number. Suppose it is, I am taking 5002. From this number I have to subtract the 0. So what I will get as my difference? The number itself. 0 means nothing. This number was given in your question and you have to subtract nothing. So what will come? The number itself. 5002. Okay. So my properties number 2 is, whenever I am subtracting 0 from any number, the answer will be the number itself. Understood? Today we are doing subtraction. For subtraction, I want two numbers. Anything. Suppose here I am taking here 90 and another number is my 76. This is greater number. This is my minuend. This this is smaller number, this is my subtrahend. I have to do subtraction. Simple. 0 means 10. From this beside number I am borrowing this one, that's why it will come as 8. Now from 10 I have to subtract 6, 4 is coming, and from 8 I have to subtract 7, 4 is coming, 1 is coming. So my difference is 14. The answer is called difference. This is 14. So now students, if you are having between these two numbers, one number only is given in your question. Suppose it is given only subtrahend. Your question is, you are having subtrahend, that is 76, along with you are having difference, that is 14. You don't know the minuend. You don't know. It is not given in your question. You have to find out the minuend. How you can do, students? That time you have to add this subtrahend with this difference. 76 plus 14. You have to do addition. 6 plus 4, how much, students? 10. Yes, very good. 0 is here, 1 is carry forward. Now 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 90. So 90 I got, and this 90 is my minuend. Okay? As you can see, 90 was only given as your minuend. So my answer is correct. I got minuend by addition of this subtrahend and difference. I have added these two things to find out my minuend. Okay. So as you know, subtrahend the smaller number and minuend is the greater number. This was one procedure. Now, if you are having now minuend. Now in your question, minuend is given. Okay? Minuend is given, that is 90, and you are having difference, that is 14. You don't know the subtrahend. You have to find out. Find out the subtrahend. How you can do, students? Previously we have added. We have done addition. But now, if I will do addition, the answer will be greater. That is not correct. So now I have to find out the subtrahend. How I can do? Now I have to do the subtraction. From the minuend, I have to subtract the difference. That is 14. I have to do subtraction. To find out the smaller one, subtrahend, I have to subtract the difference from the greater number. So upper side it is 0 means again 10. 6. I have already borrowed 1. That's why 8 came. So from 8 you have to subtract 1. My answer is 76. Okay. So 76 is my subtrahend. Subtrahend. As you can see from this one. See, students, I was given subtrahend as 76 only. So here also I got 76. So whenever I am having in question the greater number minuend and the difference, that time I have to find out the subtrahend by doing subtraction only. Understood?